I'm Upasana Nattoji and I'm called Una. I'm an animator, I make films and I make accessories and I'm a dancer. So the Mapping Festival workshop is something which was about designing of a costume with LEDs. It was bringing dance and projection and storytelling for a dance show, and it was in collaboration with a dancer who wore the whole costume, and the challenge is wearing and dancing while it's fashion. So the first step was to create a collaboration between me and Maya, who is the dancer, and we had to firstly be in sync because this was not just creating an outfit to walk in. This was a performance, so that's why it was slightly different from the rest of the costumes, and being from different cultures and different backgrounds. So that was one big step to firstly bridge that.
I can put the light along the edge here, very light, from inside. So it will look like your body is lighting up. So I want to do this on your face as well, so you have a light on your face like that. I hope it doesn't burn your face. No, you're on stage, you're very far away. You're very far away. You will look like one.
So once we came, then the idea was to how do I make sure that the engineering of it is right, the structure of it is right, then the part of the electricals are right. So understanding how the electricals work, how the programming works, how movement will work and how it will all come together was what we actually did. We learned how to do that through the workshop because that's not something that we do regularly. We do everything separately, but this workshop kind of brought all of it together in one place as one project. So it's a combination of a lot of things which is waste, like technological waste, and it's a juxtaposition with what we do in yoga and the various chakras and the flow of energy. So working with light and working with technology and working with this story together. The idea of the chakras is a very common idea that across the world today people know. It might be of Indian origin, but it's an idea that everyone knows. So the costume has 7 different chakras, which gives out energy and takes in energy. And they are at different levels. So there is a conversation between the LEDs vertically, as well as horizontally, as well as in a shape. The costume is made with a lot of wire. The entire headgear has wires and macrame and crochet together with it. And we've also used LED strips to macrame it. And then we used a lot of the plastic which is used to pack the wires. We used that to diffuse the light so that there was a slighter flow on the skirt while the rest of it was sharp energy points. Just before the show, we plugged in half of the LEDs onto the wrong battery and we blew it. So that was like, oh my God, that's a really bad point. And everybody in the whole group and all the team came with everything they had, sat down on the floor and we fixed it and we had the show. So it was really cool. This festival and the workshop has been life-changing, so I must really say thank you for bringing all of it together and all of my practices together through this one workshop. So I will remember this forever.